Welcome to my channel. Today we are going to discuss about what is Dell's AI Factory, how it works with NVIDIA to power AI. AI graphics, Dell and NVIDIA logos, servers, powering up. What if building AI was as easy as building a car on an assembly line? That's exactly the idea behind Dell's AI Factory, powered by NVIDIA. It's not science fiction. It's happening now. But what is the AI Factory? And how does it actually work to transform businesses using artificial intelligence? In this video, we're breaking it down in a way that's simple, clear, and packed with value. Let's dive in. Section 1. What is Dell's AI Factory? The term AI Factory might sound confusing at first, but think of it like this: just like a traditional factory turns raw materials into finished products, an AI factory turns raw data into intelligent systems. Dell's AI Factory is a complete end-to-end solution designed to help businesses of all sizes build, train, deploy, and scale AI models. It combines hardware, software, and automation into a single platform. From collecting and storing data to training large language models to deploying them in real-world applications, Dell's AI Factory handles it all. Section 2. How Dell powers the infrastructure. Let's talk about the foundation, Dell's infrastructure. They provide the physical muscle behind the AI Factory. Dell's PowerEdge servers are designed to handle massive computational workloads. Their PowerScale and ECS storage systems can manage petabytes of data, structured or unstructured. With Dell's infrastructure, businesses can process massive datasets, support heavy machine learning algorithms, and do it all securely. Whether it's in the cloud, on-site, or at the edge. Section 3. NVIDIA, the AI engine. Now here's where it gets really smart. NVIDIA brings the AI acceleration, their GPUs, like the NVIDIA H100, are specially designed to train deep learning models at lightning speed. But it's not just hardware. NVIDIA also brings the software layer with NVIDIA AI Enterprise, giving developers access to tools like Tensors, Rapids, and pre-trained models. Together, Dell and NVIDIA deliver the complete AI engine, from raw data to real results. Section 4. How it all works together. Let's look at the full workflow. How the AI Factory works, step by step. Step 1. Data ingestion. Businesses upload massive volumes of data, images, videos, documents, logs into Dell's high-speed storage systems. Step 2. Model training. That data is then fed into NVIDIA GPUs, which use advanced deep learning algorithms to train AI models. This could be anything from image recognition to fraud detection to natural language processing. Step 3. Model optimization and testing. With NVIDIA's software tools, models are optimized, tested, and refined to improve accuracy and performance. Step 4. Deployment. Finally, those models are deployed directly into business systems, whether that's in the cloud, in a factory, in a hospital, or on a customer-facing app. And this isn't just for tech giants. Dell's AI Factory is built for all businesses, large or small. Section 5. Real-world use cases. So how are companies using Dell's AI Factory in the real world? In retail, AI helps analyze customer behavior and predict buying patterns. In healthcare, it assists doctors in detecting diseases earlier and more accurately. In manufacturing, AI models inspect products in real time and reduce waste. In finance, flags fraudulent transactions instantly. These aren't future ideas, they're being used today. Dell and NVIDIA are making AI a daily reality for businesses across every industry. Section 6. Why this matters to you. So what does all this mean for you? Whether you're a small business owner, a tech lead, or just curious about AI, this is your moment. You don't need a massive team of data scientists. With Dell's infrastructure and NVIDIA's AI tools, the barriers to entry are gone. You can train AI models, automate tasks, and unlock insights from your data without building everything from scratch. This partnership is democratizing AI. It's no longer just for the Googles and Amazons of the world, it's for you. Final thoughts and call to action. Dell and NVIDIA's AI Factory is more than a project. It's a revolution in how AI is built and used. It's fast, it's scalable, and it's built for real businesses. If you're serious about future-proofing your company, this is a technology you can't ignore. Smash that like button if you found this helpful. Subscribe for more videos on the future of tech, and drop a comment below. What would you build with an AI factory?
Thanks for watching.